How many sun do you see? 2, 1, 3.
1.
How many flowers do you see? 1, 3, 2.
2.
How many birds do you see? 4, 5, or 3?
4.
How many nuts do you see? 4, 2, 1.
2.
How many honeybees do you see? 3, 4, or 2?
3.
How many flowers do you see? 3, 6, 5.
5.
How many leaves do you see? 6, 5, or 3?
6.
How many bugs do you see? 4, 2, 3.
3.
How many huts do you see? 4, 6, 7.
7.
How many nests do you see? 7, 9, or 5?
9.
How many caterpillars do you see? 5, 3, or 4?
5.
How many butterflies do you see? 6, 7, or 8?
8.
How many ladybugs do you see? 8, 7, or 6?
6.
How many rabbits do you see? 8, 10, or 9?
10.
How many sunflowers do you see? 9, 6, or 7?
9.
How many grasshoppers do you see? 6, 7, or 4?
7.
How many plants do you see? 6, 7, or 8?
8.
How many snails do you see? 8, 10, or 9?
10.
Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thanks for watching.